In this challenge, our objective was to light up a set of LED bulbs with the Arduino setup we would make and with the programming that we would do. And to a certain point, we reached the goal. First, we needed to do our setup, our circuit. For this one, we needed to connect copper cables to the Arduino board to the proto board with ports 8 through 13 and in the next one. These ones would help the current go to the proto board, then through the resistance, which had to be 6, just like the bulbs that we would try to light up, which were going to be 6. Then we would plug everything in and start writing the code. Although it sounded easy, it was a bit harder to put everything in place, especially with the shorter cables to make the current flow through the little bulbs. These ones were particularly hard and we couldn't do it on our first try. This is a video of us setting up the Arduino for the first time. As you can see, the resistance are in place on most of the cables, but we're struggling with the last ones, and to put the bulbs in. The next day in class, we were finally able to put all of the cables in, and we were done. This is a video of how we achieved it. Now it was time to write the code for programming. First, we drafted it in our notebooks. This is a picture of it, and it had some flaws. For example, the board setup wasn't supposed to have all the LEDs put into that. It had to be afterwards when we put it in, and the burst setup had to be alone. This is a video of how we put in everything inside the computer for our first code. This one was a little bit faulted, and it did not go through the circuit. But then we changed it and it worked. Here's a picture of that one. And as you can see, it succeeded. We were finally lighting up our bulbs. Then we had a problem. We didn't think the current was going through the other cables. That's why we called the teacher in for help, because the shorter cables didn't seem to be passing the current on. Maybe there was something wrong with our code after all, because then we had to change cables and still did not go through the current. We were lighting up just one bulb. But after the teacher checked it, she said it was okay. So here's our result, one lovely lighting bulb that has worked with our code.